Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 4 for the hyperpigmentation category, and I want to talk about Catherine's treatment today. So today was all about repair. After I did my double cleanse, I went in with cryotherapy to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and stimulate collagen production. When applied to the skin, the intense cold from the wand prompts the body to produce more collagen. The exposure to extreme cold constricts blood and lymphatic vessels. This constriction tones the vessels, enhancing overall circulation. This also helps to reduce redness and swelling, making it great for inflammatory skin conditions like hyperpigmentation. After the session, the vessels expand rapidly, causing a rush of oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood back to the skin surface. The improved circulation helps in flushing out toxins and delivering essential resources for healing, helping the skin to repair itself more efficiently. Then I went in with the Albumin Conditioning Mask, and I use this treatment strategically to repair her skin after aggressive treatments and be able to treat her skin weekly. This treatment does not alter the skin's pH. It simulates enzymatic activity that regulates collagen types 1 and 3, Langerhans cells, and keratinocytes. The enzymes in this mask are non-exfoliating and target dead cells, toxins, and impurities, turning them into weak acids and flushing them through the lymphatic system with reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is the process that removes contaminants from a solution by applying pressure until it passes through a semi-permeable membrane. This cleans our intercellular matrix, the fluid in which our cells live and communicate, for healthier, stronger skin. The mask initiates substrate action, which energizes skin cells through oxygen uptake to the mitochondria, helping lymphatic drainage that comes with reverse osmosis. The mask is split into 3 phases. The first phase is hydrolysis. This is where the enzymes in the mask neutralize oxidants, dead cells, and waste. The next phase is Xenodigestion, and this involves activating enzymes that prepare to flush cellular waste out of the system. The final phase is biodrainage, and this involves intense drying and tightening of the mask, which applies downward pressure, triggering cytokines to secrete signals and stimulate collagen production. After 45 minutes, I remove the mask. You can see she has a mild to moderate erythema and a beautiful plasmatic effect, which means intercellular homeostasis was achieved after the treatment. I applied a hydrating gel and a mineral sunscreen to hydrate and protect her skin, and I'll keep you updated next week.